Hey viewers, welcome to Informative Guru. I am Sai Krishna. In this video, I will show you unboxing review video for a brand new keyboard which is Cosmic Byte Dragonfly RGB, which comes with 8 colors, RGB colors, and gaming keyboard with mouse. And mouse comes with 7 buttons and 7200 DPI and with the software. So let's unbox this pack and see how this looks. Actually, this is for just a keyboard and mouse. I just ordered keyboard and mouse, but I don't know, Amazon, the seller sent me this much bigger box. I'm not sure what is inside. Let's have a look. Okay. Some folder paper. A very big folder paper. Okay. I think seller did not got enough package, enough box to send only this keyboard, but he sent me this much bigger box. Okay, let's keep this box aside. So this is the keyboard, guys. This is the keyboard and mouse. This is the Dragonfly RGB keyboard which comes with 8, and this is the mouse. So we have same keyboard and mouse in the same box. So this is a combo pack. So let's open this box and see. Okay, packing is good. Okay, keyboard is having some weight, so because this is an aluminum keyboard. The metal one. Okay, this is a mouse and keyboard dice. So this is the keyboard dice. You can see this comes with a braided cable, and cable quality is looking good, and this is completely aluminum. So coming to mouse, let me open this one. This is the mouse, guys. So if I connect this to laptop or PC, I will see the colors, and let me install softwares, and let me connect it to keyboard and see how this one looks. So guys, let's see keyboard specifications on the box, what they gave. Like, they have given us light modes where we can choose the RGB colors, which is function 1 for RGB, function 2 for RGB2, function 3 for RGB color cycle, function 4 for 7 colors breathing, function 5 for 7 color switch, function 6 for light 1 and 7 for light 2 and 8 for off LED. We have function keys to change the light modes and colors and breathing sections. And also we can increase the brightness and decrease the brightness as well. And also this keyboard life is, each key life is like 10 million keystrokes. So this box comes with a braided cable here and normal USB input, not a golden plated one, and RGB. And also guys, one more thing, we have function keys. Like using the function keys, you can control media, volume, mute, CD or previous track and pause, next track, email, web home. We have some function keys in this keyboard, so this is one of the added advantage. For the mouse, as I said, 7 buttons and sensor, and DPI is 7200 DPI. And let's open this one. Let's open, and let me connect this one to my laptop. So guys, I just connected keyboard and mouse to my laptop. Here you can see the mouse colors is changing, and keyboard colors is also changing, some kind of rainbow colors. So you have a Cosmic Byte branding here, and tab, the tab keys, and the spacebar comes with God mode. So this is for gaming, guys. And also mouse comes with here 2 buttons, and here 2, total 4, 5, 6, 7, total 7 button, guys. So let's see the keyboard, guys. A keyboard having a different colors. You can use the RGB colors in whichever way you want, using the function keys and numbers, guys. So coming to the first RGB color we have is this one, continuous changing random colors in a flow. This is the first color. Coming to the second one, single color, like it's moving like a wave. So this is the second color, guys. Coming to the third one, it is also like this. So this is really cool, third color. Coming to the fourth one, it will stay like this. So it will be on a red color. So if you want to change colors, you can change using these arrow keys. This side arrow keys will not work. This is one fixed color, so you can change this color to whichever color you want using the function and arrow keys. Coming to the next one, guys. So function F5, function and for number 5. So these are the keys, guys. So if you do that, you will see slow breathing of each colors. And let's say function 6. So this is a very slow breathing of each color at a time. Using a function 7, this is some kind of random, it's going like a wave. Coming to the 8 is a kill switch, guys. So it will turn off all the lights in your keyboard. So initially when I said to turn this keyboard on and off, you can use this switch. Actually when you use function and 8, you cannot turn on using this key. So this is one of the it's one of the disadvantages, guys. So just use the remaining keys and it will be good. So use function 8 other than 8. So let me use function 7. So it will return to the function 7. Coming to the main feature, guys, function 9. This is one of the important one. Using this function 9, you can adjust colors in each side. So for example, here we have green, here we have red, yellow, white and blue, yellow. So like these colors were mentioned, displaying in the keyboard. So when I click on function 9, it will be defaultly landed on here. So you can change this color using function keys. So see here, when I am using the function key, color only changing here in this part. It is not changing in other areas. So this is good. And also you can navigate to next colors using function and arrow keys. So I am here right now. Let me prove you that. So you see, guys, when I am trying to change color using function arrow keys, the second light color is being changed. Let me see this for the third one. Let me place white here. This is white, like here, and here green again, green. So like this, in whichever way you want, you can adjust your color. And also there is one more thing, to increase and decrease the brightness of this keyboard, you can always use function and page up and page down. Page up is to increase the brightness, page down is to decrease the brightness. Totally we have 4 brightness color ranges. So one is completely off, second one is third one and fourth one. Totally 4 color range, brightness ranges we have. And also coming to the one more option in this keyboard, we can insert your mobile. Your mobile will sit here. Actually your keyboard will hold your mobile and you can keep your mobile in front of your keyboard. Let's see. So this is my mobile, guys. So I'm just connecting it here, not connecting, I'm placing it here. So I just place my mobile also, and you can see, guys, I just place my mobile here. You can use your keyboard as this while your mobile is here, and you can easily do whatever you want with your mobile like this. So this is all about keyboard, and there is one more thing I just want to say. Complete body is of plastic except this sheet. This entire plastic is in this entire plastic body. There is a center one aluminium plate is there. It looks really a premium quality. So there is no other keyboard which is standard, so this is quite good. And coming to the clips, backside clips are okay, so these are okay, because however the keyboard and key size is more, we can use without the clips. If you want to use without the clips, you can use. And also we have rubber grip here, clips and rubber grip, so this is cool. And we have also a serial number for this Dragonfly RGB color keyboard combo. You can use the serial number if you want to register the warranty, guys. Let's see about the mouse, guys. So here is the mouse. Mouse is having different colors, guys. So here we can adjust this color, and wheel color we can adjust, and this color also. Using a software, you can download the software from Cosmic Byte website. I will provide the link in the description. You can download whatever the mouse you have. So not only for the Dragonfly keyboard and mouse software, you can get the software for any kind of keyboard or mouse. So you will find all of the software list in the Cosmic Byte website, which I will provide. You can download the Dragonfly mouse software. If you want a specific direct link for the Dragonfly, I'll provide the link I'll provide the link for that one as well. So let's see the colors, guys. So I just opened the software. I'll show you guys in the other screen, so you can have a look at the software and how I'm managing this one. Let me click on my screen as well. It is better. So I just started recording it, guys, on the screen. I will attach the screen in this video, so you can have a look at the software of this Cosmic Byte mouse. So this key is number 2. So this is the mid button. If you click in the middle of this, like if you press this button down, this is actually one of the buttons. And also here we have forward and backward keys, guys. If you are in a web page, for example, if you want to go back, you can directly click on this button, so it will take you to the previous page. If you click on this button, it will take you to the next page if you have any. And also here we have 2 buttons, guys. This is a DPI loop and LED loop. So if I press this one, it will change the colors, guys. You will see each color it is getting changed at a time. So if you select the LED loop, you will get the random combinations of mouse colors. It's turned off. If I use this one, single right breathing, you can change the single right breathing to any different kind of color which you want. And there is more, guys. So you can adjust. It's having around 7 RGB color combinations you can use, and this comes with 7200 DPI. So you can adjust your DPI by going into the advanced settings, and you can increase or decrease the pointer precision, wheel speed, fire speed, and DPI rate also in the advanced settings. And coming to the LED settings, you can change the color and you can change this one. You don't have to use this LED setting exactly. You can use this button. You can use the first button which you see on this mouse, which I'm pointing right now. You can use this one to change the LED settings. Even you can do that using the Cosmic Byte switch to quad mode software. And we have macros also, guys. You can run a macro, record a macro. You can do it also using a mouse. If you click on any button, the macro will run. So this is one of the most important added advantage. So it will help a lot of people. And coming to the base settings, this is one of the just base settings, and this is one for his office settings, and you can change whatever you like to. Like we have 4 modes, 4 type of profiles available here. You can change your mouse settings accordingly to in each profiles. So it will be one of the good thing. you can click on apply and cancel here. You can do whatever you want to, but that's all about the keyboard and mouse, guys. I really like this keyboard and mouse combination, because this is the first time I just bought this RGB keyboard and mouse. Previously I used to use normal keyboards like Microsoft or Dell keyboards and HP keyboards like that. So I did not use any RGB keyboards earlier. This is the first time I'm purchasing. This I purchased for myself. So it really looks good, guys. If I turn keyboard like this, you can see the colors, and keys also is having little bit height, and it's really cool. And here we have one Cosmic Byte branding logo, and switch to Godboard, and everything is looking cool. And hope you guys like this review video. If you have any questions, please drop in the comment section. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for instant video updates. Please don't forget to hit like button for this video, and please do share this video. Thank you so much, guys.